This segment here is going to be a lesson in slide guitar, and I've already done a beginning slide guitar video for you, so I'm not going to show you the basics per se. I'm just going to be showing you mostly some little licks and things that you can do in the key of E. So this is going to be in standard guitar tuning. I don't have my guitar in any special tuning or anything. So go ahead and grab your slide and let's get started.
Yeah!
This lick is going to be centered around kind of a 1, 4, 5 and E. E to A, back to E. Okay, it's like a 12-bar kind of blues, kind of a fast blues. And maybe you could have a little country feel to it if you wanted to. All right, in the key of E, right? E, 1, 4, 5, and E. So to begin with, if you're not familiar with the slide, you might want to go back and check on the beginning slide lessons off nextlevelguitar.com. And I'm going to just show you the first part of this lick, which goes like this. Just right to there, and then we'll go on with the rest of it, okay? Let's begin by sliding up. Place your slide on the 5th fret, okay? And you're going to pluck the D string and slide up to your 7th fret. And then pluck your G string. Got that? Starting on your 5th fret, D string, pluck your D string, slide up to the 7th fret, and then pluck your G string. G string. There you go. Now for the next part, put your slide on the 8th fret, and you're going to go between the 8th and the 7th fret on your B string. Right there, okay? So you're going from 8th to 7th on your B string. Then bring it up to your 12th fret on your B string. Then do a little gliss from your 7th to 8th. Oops, I'm sorry. From your 6th to your 7th. So from your 12th fret, do a little slide up from your 6th to your 7th, staying on the B string. And then to your G. So you're staying on the 7th fret right there. So you did that slide up from your B to your 7th fret. So let me just do that part again, okay? So let's just slide up on our D string, 5th fret, slide up to the 7th fret, play your G string, stop. Normally you'd let it ring out, but let's go to your next lick. B string, 8th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret, 12th fret, slide up to the 7th from the 6th, to your G string, 7th fret G string. Okay, got that? Let's do it all together once. Give it a little vibrato there. All right, and for the next part, we're going to do something like this. That's it, okay? So right now, we finished that last lick. We're still on the 7th fret of the 7th fret on the G string. And that's going to start our next lick. So here we go. 7th fret, G string, and slide it down to the 5th fret. So we'd slide it down to the 5th fret and then back up to the 7th fret and hit our D string. So we're on the G string, 7th fret, we slide it down to the 5th fret, and then slide it back up to hit the D string. So it goes like this. that once. Then hit our G string again. So it's the same slide. Just the picking pattern is a little different. So it's G, 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 slide down, D, whoops, D, on the 7th fret, back to G. G string, right? That's it. So let's just do those two together, okay? From the first one to the second one. So slide up on your D string, slide up from your 5th fret to your 7th fret. G string, B string, 8th fret, 12th fret, to your G string. That was your second part, right? Okay, so now you got 2 parts of it. So now let's play this one. 4 times, okay? So this one's the easy one. This one you're gonna slide up, and this is always good pattern to use when you're doing any kind of slide guitar in E, is to slide on the B and the E string up to the 12th fret. So I'm starting on my 10th fret and sliding up to my 12th fret because there's a little E chord there, right? So I can do that. So I'm going to slide from my 10th fret. I'm going to hit my B string and slide. And then I'm going to pick from B to E right here on the 12th fret where my slide is at the 12th fret. I'm just going to be picking back and forth from my B to my E string. B, E, B, E. Okay, so we do the slide. Let's do it again. 4 times. Last one. And then hit your B string at the 12th fret. Okay, for that one, we're staying on the B string. So we hit it at the 12th fret. Then we're going to lift up, and we're going to slide up from our 5th fret to our 7th fret on the B string to our G string. Okay, notice I'm at the 7th fret again here. So I always come back to the 7th fret. That was B at the 12th fret, B, slide up to the 7th, G at the 7th. Okay. So let's just do it up to there. So from the beginning. Give it some vibrato. And then we're going to repeat that part we learned before, where we do that slide from the G on the 7th fret down to the 5th to the 7th fret D string, right?